Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from SafePal Wallet to Cash App. First, open Cash App on your phone and go to the banking section from the home screen. Select Bitcoin and then choose the option to deposit Bitcoin. Cash App will generate your unique Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully because it will be used as the destination for your transfer from SafePal. Next, open the SafePal app. If your funds are in another crypto like USDT or Ethereum, convert them into Bitcoin using the swap feature. Once your balance is in Bitcoin, go to your BTC wallet and tap Send. Paste the Cash App Bitcoin address into the recipient field. Double-check every character of the address before continuing, because even a small mistake can cause loss of funds. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, select the network fee, and confirm the transaction by entering your SafePal password or PIN. After sending, wait for the blockchain to confirm the transaction. This may take a few minutes depending on network speed. Once the Bitcoin arrives in Cash App, you will receive a notification. Open Cash App again, go to the investing section, and select Bitcoin. Tap Sell and convert your Bitcoin into cash. Confirm the transaction, and the money will be added to your Cash App balance. From there, you can cash out directly to your linked bank account. Thanks for watching.